Hi everyone, this is a short video to record a monthly breakout chart which is happening after 2007 first time. Yes, it's going to be a very interesting video. It will be short and sweet to the point, and I'm recording this video on August 31st, 2021, and the stock which I'm going to talk about is Bharti Airtel, which is listed in Indian stock market. Now this stock is giving a good breakout and decisive breakout only after 2007. Yes, I'm going to explain you that. Now, just before I get into that, this is not an advice to buy and sell. I'm just sharing my view, what I see based on chart pattern and fundamental patterns. So please do your own due diligence before you take any actions or decisions based on that, or contact your financial advisor. Without further ado, so now let's get talking about the fundamental aspect very quickly, because I'm not going in detail about that. In India market, there are two major players in the mobile telephony and data services, largely that is Jio, Reliance Jio, and Bharti Airtel. They are the only now duopoly market. Most of the players are out and consolidated. Last one left was the Idea, which is also kind of lost the ground. So it's only left between Bharti Airtel, which is stock we're talking about today, and Reliance Jio, which is also into oil and gas, but there's major one of the new segments which they have been investing is into the data services and the mobile telephony. Now, in this particular stock, why it is a pure play into these services of mobile and data services and digital. So I think it is good. And recently they have taken a price hike because they know now that's where they've got the power to do that, because you have only two players left. So with that being fundamental aspect, so not um, let's cover that in separate video. But what I'm interested to see what's happening and how the buyers and sellers are lined up in this particular stock. Now, if you see here, it was in this candle, which you can focus on my mouse. This was the period when that was October 2007, when the stock make a high of 543.55, and since then it was only it this month in Feb 20 is the month when it tried to take that high but couldn't, and then it went to 2 months consolidation again. So 2 months nothing happened, and there was a bulls and bears, of the buyers and sellers were kind of still in logjam, and bears were in control. But then in the month of May, it did close above that particular price. Yes, it took that out, but for me, this is a rejection candle. So for me, if something has to close, it has to close between this high, which has never happened, right? You would say that, yeah, it has taken, but that's not true. According to my rules and my year of following, this particular candle is the candle which I'm expecting the stock should close above monthly candle closing. Then I will consider this as in buy zone. And you can see here, since then, it tried to close it in May, but that didn't happen. Bulls were not able to take control. Following month in June also, the stock didn't go anywhere. It kind of an uh, completely doji formation happened, and then following month again, bears didn't let the price to go up, and then the red candle formed there, and stock closed below that price even from what it was the previous month, and then the bears took over, and that's where the bulls comes with the full force and try to take the price higher. Now, as I've said to you, I need the price to be closed above this candle, and that's not still happened here in the month of Jan. Also, it did. Following month in February, also we couldn't see the closing above that, and it has to be in green, so that didn't happen. It's and then it went to again in consolidation with in the month of April, May, June, July, and now this is the candle which we were waiting for. That is the big red, green candle, which is basically nothing but our confirmation, and that going above this trend line, which I've drawn here, right? So I think it is a very good sign about this stock, since it is a monthly candle. So you expect this to be a long-term play, not a short-term play, according to me. So I'll be looking for buying opportunities. I have put together, some view on what should be the stop loss. Since we are looking for long-term play, you still have to have a stop loss for every stock you get in. So I have put my stop loss, which if I look for opportunities, in my view, I think there are not many sellers left. And if the stocks manage to stay above this closing, then we have a good long-term stock in hand. So keep a watch on this one. I'm surely going to be looking for buying opportunity and add on for long-term investing. And hopefully this video would have got you some insight of how to look for monthly breakouts. And because many people do miss out this as a breakout, but this is not a breakout candle. This is the breakout candle because every time we got a rejection ever since it tried to close above that. So this is the candle which has been taken out. So this is a breakout candle, not this candle, neither this candle. So hopefully there was some learning. If you like the video, do like the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing up these short videos and also long form videos about more investing ideas and also about the sector analysis. And I'm also looking to add some more productivity based videos which can help you save time so you can focus more on investing. So if you want to join the exclusive free Telegram channel, do join. I've given you the details on the screen here. Till then, see you next time.